Hello everyone, in this video we're going to walk you through the steps to transfer money to other players in GTA 5 Online. If you've just finished a job and want to share your earnings with your friends or other players in your session, this video will show you exactly how to do that. Follow along step by step and you'll be able to send cash quickly and easily. Let's start by opening the interaction menu. This is where you'll find most of the player-related actions in the game. If you're playing on a console, hold down the touchpad on your controller. That's the small button in the center. Hold it down until the interaction menu appears on the left side of your screen. If you're on a PC, press and hold the M key on your keyboard. Keep it held down until the menu shows up on the left side of your screen. Once the interaction menu is open, use the joystick or arrow keys to scroll through the options. You're looking for the one labeled Inventory. Select it to open the Inventory submenu. And in the Inventory menu, scroll down until you see the Cash option. Select that to access the cash-related features. Now, choose the option that says Share Cash from Last Job. This will allow you to send money earned from your most recent mission or activity. After you select that, a list of players currently in your session will appear. These are the people that you can send money to. Pick the player you want to transfer money to. Use the navigation buttons to choose the percentage of your earnings you want to share. You can adjust it up or down depending on how much you want to send. Once you've selected the right amount and the correct player, scroll to the bottom of the screen and choose Accept. That's it. The money will be sent immediately. It's important to note that this only applies to money earned from your most recent job. You can't send money from your total bank balance, only what you made from that specific activity. And that's all you need to do to send money to other players in GTA 5 Online. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.